Talking of the entrance coaching for DO LLB, first of all, a brief insight into the paper pattern. The mode of examination is online. There will be one paper. The total number of questions will be 100, which will be MCQ in nature. The total marks would be 400, which means 4 marks for every correct response. The total time duration would be 2 hours. The language of the paper would be English, and there would be a negative marking in the question paper. 1 mark would be deducted for every incorrect response. The syllabus for DULLB mainly consists of 5 important sections: English language, current affairs, legal reasoning, logical reasoning, and quantitative techniques. English language, passages from contemporary or historically significant fiction and non-fiction writing. Current affairs, passages derived from news and journalistic sources. Legal reasoning, passages associated with the facts or schemes or including legal matters or public policy queries. Logical reasoning set will contain a set of small passages which would be around 300 words, and the passage will be pursued by one or more queries that would want a candidate to identify a claim. Small series of facts or suggestions in quantitative techniques, graphs or another textual, pictorial or diagrammatic portrayal, which would be followed by a series of. Why is coaching important? Because DOLLB is one of the toughest entrance examinations, and it takes many years of preparation to clear it. So with the assistance of good coaching, a beginner can also clear the examination. So there are certain coaching that are available. Juris Academy is a leading LLB coaching academy for DOLLB in Delhi. Most of the students these days prefer to take online coaching to save time, which they can utilize in preparing and revising for the examination. Advantages of learning online: you don't have to waste time traveling. The online LLB coaching can be accessed anytime. Classroom coaching has proved to be more expensive than online coaching, so a lot of money can be saved. And you can also register yourself in the Telegram groups so that whenever you face any problem, you can have it cleared in these groups. Certain features of online LLB coaching: it is a great help to those students who cannot attend coaching classes. It provides different kind of packages. uh, the schedule is well informed before. The coaching classes cover the entire syllabus. All the sections are covered: analytical reasoning, GK, legal aptitude, BA maths. Through the mock test you can get to know how well you are prepared, and the doubts can also be cleared in the Telegram groups if you are unable to get them cleared during live lectures. Certain frequently asked questions like what is live lecture, what can you do in case you fail to attend a live lecture, how can online coaching help, can mobile phones be used, and can LLB coaching help in passing the examination, and what are the other things that are needed, and can you attend, how safe is the payment that is for the LLB coaching, and can you attend more than one course from the same ID.